Hi children, here we are going to discuss about the question and answers of our final chapter, that is 18th chapter in the science, that is wastewater story. Here are the questions. Name two organic impurities present in the sewage. What are those organic impurities? Oils, vegetables, the leftover food of the kitchen, and as well as human feces, animal wastages, and plant wastages. They are called organic impurities. Next question. Name two inorganic impurities present in the sewage. They include phosphorus, nitrogen, metals, minerals, plastics. All they are inorganic impurities. And next, name two nutrients present in the sewage. We know that nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, these are the nutrients present in the sewage. Next question. What type of microbes present in the sewage cause disease such as cholera and typhoid? So here cholera is caused by a bacteria called Vibrio cholera, and typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. So these are bacteria, and as well as poliovirus causes polio disease. So these are called waterborne diseases. That water is called contaminated water. Next question. Name two diseases which are caused by bacteria present in the sewage. Already we discussed about cholera and typhoid. Next, name one disease which is caused by microbes present in the sewage. Cholera, typhoid, dysentery, polio, all are waterborne diseases. Write the full form of WWTP, Waste Water Treatment Plant. Here WWTP stands for Waste Water Treatment Plant. Next, eighth question. Name two chemicals used to disinfect the water, that is chlorine and ozone. Next, ninth question. Name the solid waste extracted during the sewage treatment. So that is what we call sludge. The solid waste is called as sludge. Name two things that can made from the sludge extracted during the treatment of sewage. We can get biogas and as well as manure. These are the two things that we get from the sludge. What is the cause of large number of diseases in our country? That is contaminated water, poor water supply. And 12th question, name any four waterborne diseases which are caused by drinking contaminated water. Cholera, typhoid, polio, and as well as dysentery. Next, state whether the following are true or false. Human excreta can be used in biogas plant. Yes, answer is true. Name any two low-cost on-site sewage disposal system for human wastes. So what are those toilets? Simply septic tanks, chemical toilets. Here chemical toilets somewhat expensive, but the compost toilets and septic tanks, they are the low cost toilets. What type of disposal system will be suitable for the isolated cluster of 4 to 5 houses in an area where there is no sewage? So here we can construct the septic tank. Next, 16th question. Here it is go. What type of toilets are most suitable for the holding an outdoor music festival in park? So we already discussed about portable toilets, right? Portable toilets, those are nothing but chemical toilets. 19th question. At a sewage treatment plant, what type of bacteria work in the digester tank? In the digester tank, what we use? anaerobic bacteria to form biogas. Next, in aeration tank. In aeration tank we use aerobic bacteria. Fill in the blanks. Wastewater released by houses is called sewage. And next, the cleaning of water is a process of removing pollutants and contaminants. Next, dried dash is used as manure. Dried fecal matter, or we can say the dried sludge, we can use as a manure, right? And next, drains get blocked by dash and dash, plastic covers and metals. Next, E, untreated human excreta is a dash hazard. It is life hazard or a health hazard. Okay, means it is danger to health. And next, untreated human excreta may cause dash and dash pollution. It causes soil pollution and as well as water pollution. Vermi processing toilets used dash to treat human wastage. Here, why do we use? Simply in vermi processing, right? So vermi means worms. Here we use earthworms. All the portable toilets are chemical toilets. Poor sanitization, crowd people can be result in spread of what it spread with diseases. It spread pandemic diseases, right? Next, come to short answer type questions. What is meant by sewer and sewerage? Sewer is an actual pipeline. It is an actual pipeline. The pipes are called sewer, and if the sewers are arranged in a particular way to dispose the wastage, that is what we call sewerage, where the dirt water runs in. 22nd question. Explain the function of bar screen in a wastewater treatment plant. Here, bar screen, it is going to stop the physical impurities. These physical impurities such as metals and plastics, towels, sanitary towels, and as well as napkins, plastic bags, sticks, cans, rags can be screened out with the help of bar screen, so that it stops the entry of these things in from the water. Next, what is sludge? Explain how it treated. Sludge is a solid impurity that we get at the ending of the water treatment tanks. This sludge can be used in a digester tank as to produce biogas with the help of anaerobic bacteria, and as well as this sludge is dried and used as manure in the field. 24th question. Name two useful substances which are produced by treatment of sewage. State their uses. So here first one is the sludge. This sludge can be used as manure, and as well as the same sludge can be used to produce manure, and as well as biogas can be produced by sludge. And the next one is pure water, which can be recycled, and by adding chemicals like chlorine and ozone, it become potable water, means drinking water. Next, what is the purpose of bubbling the air into aeration tank during the treatment of sewage? When you allow the aeration, then because of aeration, the aerobic bacteria they grow and the organic wastages can be degraded by aerobic bacteria, so that the human feces and harmful chemicals, oils, they can be removed with the help of bacterial treatment, that too aerobic bacteria. Next, name the various wastes which should not be thrown down the drain. Why? Here, the waste like solid wastes, metals, plastics, sticks, cans, rags, they are going to be clogged or they block the pipelines and they cause the leakage of drainage. This water flows in the locality and it makes dirt, and as well as it spreads the diseases. So that definitely we should throw them in the dustbin. Why should oils and fats not to be released in drains? Here oils and fats, they are insoluble in water and as well as they float on the water. They have less density. If you allow this drain into the water body, then it spread over the surface of water and it prevents the entry of gases, so that it is harmful for the aquatic animals and plants. Next, what is the vermi-processing toilet? Name the useful byproduct obtained from such toilets. Here, vermi-processing toilet is nothing but using earthworms to decompose the human feces, so that what happens, it become fertile, and this byproduct can be used as manure in the fields. And next, 29th question, what will happen if the large amount of waste generated at public places is not disposed properly? If it is not disposed properly, then the locality become dirt and the rag it fills at the roadside and it looks ugly and it can spread the life threatening diseases, pandemic diseases, so that we should maintain our surrounding clean. Next, with the help of an example, outline your role an active citizen regarding sanitization. So all of us, we have to play an important role in keeping our environment clean and healthy. We should not spit on the roadside, we should not go for toilet, we should not go for uh, urinals or latrine in the outskirts, and as well as we should treat the water first before consuming, and as well as we should avoid the leakage of pipelines, particularly at homes, and we should not spill the water on the roads. We should maintain our surrounding clean, we should not make any dirt, so we should not make any litter. By doing all this, you can be save your life from the harmful effects of forming dirt. So with this we completed question and answers. We'll discuss about remaining lessons in the next class. Thank you.